Welcome to the Data Standards Body YouTube channel. This video discusses the candidate issues for Maintenance Iteration 20. The consultation for Maintenance Iteration 20, MI20, is captured in Decision Proposal 353, DP 353. The iteration candidates for the current iteration are displayed on the Data Standards Maintenance Project Board. The standards maintenance process facilitates the proposal of enhancements, corrections, or changes to the consumer data standards. This runs throughout the year, adjacent to the decision proposal consultations. To contribute to the maintenance iteration, request an invitation to the maintenance iteration call via contact@consumerdatastandards.gov.au or sign up with the DSB Calendar. MI calls are held every 2 weeks on a Wednesday. DP 353 provides the agendas and dates for upcoming maintenance iteration calls and the minutes for past calls. The MI20 consultation opened on the 17th of June 2024. The first maintenance iteration call was on 10th of July 2024. MI20 includes a number of candidates for consideration. As well as general holistic feedback, there are issues in the categories Consumer Experience, CX, Security, Banking, Energy. In the holistic feedback category is Issue 647, Maintenance Iteration 20, Holistic Feedback. In the CX category is Issue 646, Clarify Selection of Trusted Advisor in the CX Guidelines. In the security category are Issue 648, Adopt BCP 195 for TLS ciphers, Issue 650, Weaken JARM encryption requirements for ADRs. In the banking category is Issue 641, Update CDS documentation to clarify expected rate value sign, plus or minus, for each rate type. In the energy category are Issue 644, AmountString field type impractical for energy tariffs, Issue 652, specify units of currency to be used for the AmountString field type, Issue 653, EnergyPlanTariffPeriod, cater for plans with no daily supply charge. Issue 647, Maintenance Iteration 20, Holistic Feedback. Each maintenance iteration has a related holistic feedback issue for raising minor changes such as text corrections or description clarifications. Participants are invited to add suggestions as comments to this issue. Issue 647 captures holistic feedback for MI20. This is a non-breaking change. Issue 646, Clarify Selection of Trusted Advisor in the CX Guidelines. This change request is on behalf of Chartered Accountants Australia and New Zealand, CAANZ, CPA Australia, CPA, and the Institute of Public Accountants, IPA. This change request proposes the removal of the About Trusted Advisor screen, a change to the heading of the list of trusted advisors from Trusted Advisor Directory to Trusted Advisors, a guideline to clarify that this is intended to be a list of trusted advisors that the consumer has already nominated. Issue 648, Adopt BCP 195 for TLS ciphers. This is intended to improve transaction layer security to prevent exploits. It represents Stage 2 of the security changes proposed in Standards Maintenance Issue 643, Update TLS Cipher Suite requirements to address DHEAT attacks and Raccoon attack vulnerabilities. Issue 650, Weaken JARM encryption requirements for ADRs. This change request proposes removing the mandatory requirement on ADRs to support encryption of JARM responses. C. CDS Authentication Flows, Data Holders. Issue 641, Update CDS documentation to clarify expected rate value sign, plus or minus, for each rate type. This change is intended to avoid inconsistency with some data holders specifying a negative sign for discount, bonus, and penalty adjustment types. C. CDS product and account components, deposit adjustment rate types, and lending adjustment rate types. Issue 644, AmountString field type impractical for energy tariffs. This change proposes defining a new type to support the energy industry's standard use of cents for tariffs and rebates. The new type would allow values such as 5.31, representing 5.31 cents. AmountString is defined as currency and supports only whole cent values. Issue 652, specify units of currency to be used for AmountString field type. This proposes a change to the description of the AmountString type to specify how currency units are represented. Issue 653, EnergyPlanTariffPeriod, cater for plans with no daily supply charge. This issue seeks a solution to a problem in implementing the change arising from Issue 627, EnergyPlanTariffPeriod, change to daily supply charge. The question is how to comply for customers with no itemized daily service charge. That concludes the list of candidate issues for MI20. At the time of writing, the Maintenance Iteration 20 schedule is 10th of July 2024, kickoff and backlog review, completed. 24th of July 2024, consultation, completed. 7th August 2024, consultation and new issue checkpoint. 21st August 2024, proposal checkpoint. 4th September 2024, approvals and documentation. See the DSB calendar for the up-to-date MI20 timeline. For more detail, read DP353 and the issues listed here. To provide feedback, comment on DP353 or on the individual issue. Thank you for participating in developing the Consumer Data Standards.